Did you know that maintaining a healthy balance of 80% alkaline and 20% acidic foods can help reduce inflammation? Yet many people only consume 5% alkaline and 95% acidic foods in their daily diet. Did you also know that there is salt that can turn acidic foods into neutral or alkaline foods without causing high blood pressure? Introducing Korea's #1 bamboo salt, K-Lava salt, 9 times baked original bamboo salt manufactured by the INSANGA company, the ones who industrialized bamboo salt for the first time in the world in 1987. In a study conducted at Harvard University, K-Lava salt was found to have anti-tumor causing properties with no damage to the human body, even at extremely high doses. This salt contains 55 essential minerals that are highly absorbable and alkalize the body, giving food an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect. Among its many benefits, K-Lava purifies the blood, maintains the body's pH level, and boosts metabolism. The absorbability of its minerals reaches 98% and is an alkaline salt because it undergoes a sophisticated lava melting manufacturing process that gives it its unique potency. K-Lava salt can be used as cooking salt, added to steak, coffee, or drinks, added to your mouthwash, shampoo, or conditioner for healthier hair, and as an antibiotic for sensitive skin infections. Add K-Lava salt to your diet today and see the difference for yourself.